What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Fantom here, and as you can see, things looking really good. Actually, is this the correct chart? Let me just make sure this is the right chart. I think I actually drew on a chart previously, but I actually failed to save all of my key levels. So I might just draw these in quickly for everyone's benefit. You can obviously see the kinds of levels that I'm looking for here, looking something like this. This is obviously a key level here as well. Then we've got this level here, pretty key level as well. And then obviously we've got the all-time high. You know, we've got an area of resistance looking something like this as well. Let's make this green. And this green. We'd say these, you know, as long as we're in between these kinds of levels, we're probably going to be okay. You can see here quite clearly, you know, this is looking really good. And then if we just draw the Fibonacci retracement here from that previous swing high, all-time high up here, all the way down to that low around there. You can see here, we've got all our kind of key levels highlighted, and you can see just how, you know, there's a lot of confluence here to all these levels. Overall, you know, this is the daily time frame, by the way. Fantom here looking exceptionally good. I mean, this is just higher highs and higher lows all the way, isn't it? Right now, looking very bullish indeed. I can't believe how cheap this was. This is, what is this, a fifth of a cent? Up to like $2.50. This is an absolutely ridiculous run up for Fantom, isn't it? But you can see quite clearly here, this is a really top quality cryptocurrency and it's doing exceptionally well. On the hourly time frame, for example, you can see looking like we are actually just breaking out right now of this level here. Currently at around 247 here for Fantom. Looking like we are basically, you know, we came down and had that decent correction, didn't we? But we ran all the way back up, reclaimed this 141 extension of the Fibonacci, which is really critical as well. And you can see, looking like we back tested and we're looking to head towards that 161 extension next, towards that all-time high at around $3, which would obviously be, you know, pretty good. I think the all-time high, what is it, $3.50 here? And we're currently at around $2.47, so a little bit of room to run here back to the all-time high, and we do have that Fibonacci level, as we said, at around $3.05 there, which would be the next key target. Now that it looks like, you know, these levels here getting very nicely respected, this Fibonacci really is, you know, working out beautifully. You can see quite clearly here on the hourly time frame just how much these levels are being respected. Support, resistance flipped into support, resistance, support. We come back down to that previous all-time high support, retest it, and then we get that run all the way up to the 141. We chop in and around it for a while as a bit of resistance, but we break it, we come up to the 161. We double test it, but then obviously roll over because of the wider market. We come down, back down to the 141 here. Keep holding it as resistance, bit of a head and shoulders here, something like this. We roll over with the market, obviously, on the 4th of December there. Come all the way back down towards this previous swing low area here, where we do find a bit of support. We basically put in a little bit of a range between that level and the 127 extension here, sorry, of the Fibonacci. Let me just go on the daily time frame so you can see this better. You can see we're putting a little bit of a range here like this. If I can actually click the right tool there we go. In between that level at around that 125 and the 127 level at around 160 there, putting a bit of a range. And then you can see we've got the breakout. We come all the way up, we break all the way through the 141 as well. And then back on the hourly time frame, you can see a little bit overextended. We come down, retest to support. And then we're getting the move to the upside now, looking like Fantom is breaking out, heading up towards that next level, as we said. So Fantom, really bullish project, super good ecosystem. TVL's growing all the time. We do think it's got the potential to be a bit like AVAX, which is, you know, well up into the, what is it, $30 billion market cap. It's a 6x for Fantom to get up to those kinds of numbers. So very interesting, you know, multiples that we could see for Fantom. Obviously a really quality ecosystem, super cheap, starting to get a real nice amount of DeFi on it as well. And we do think that it's going to do really well. So really quick, as we said, short-term price predictions. If we're rolling over here back down towards that $2.09 Fibonacci to 141, as low as around $2, we'd say this would be a good area to get a bounce if we rolled over like this. And then obviously moving to the upside, we are targeting the 161 at around that $3.05 area. Upwards at least to around $3, we'd say. Although we do have this last swing high here around 266, which does need to be retested as well. Doing something like this, heading back to the upside, looking really good. And then, I mean, on the Fibonacci extensions here, we do have a $10 227 extension, $2.30 for Fantom there. Obviously, that would be around a 4x from the current price, but taking it up to around a $20 billion market cap. We do think this is very possible for Fantom. And if it pulls anything like AVAX and Solana, we could be looking at, you know, much more than that, maybe $15, $20, maybe even more than that, depending on, you know, how much we get of a pump. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.